guys, Pete with Mixcat. I just rolled out the flexible solar panel. As you can see, it's got the actual paper on top of it. And right now, even with the paper on top, where hardly any light's getting in, it's just basically the light that's in my garage. It's reading just about 8 volts. It's a 16-foot solar panel, and that's a protective film. You can see it runs the whole length of my garage here. I'm going to go ahead and take off that film and see what kind of voltage I get. This panel was so powerful, I actually had to almost roll it up a little bit more than halfway. It's about a third of it showing to get the proper voltage into the grid tie inverter. Because this guy caps out at, I want to say 24 volts. And that panel is given way over 50, which it's actually rated for 40. I do have a different grid tie inverter coming, so I'll do some testing with that. There's the grid tie inverter. And I'm going to put the camera down here. I'll show you guys. They're actually right off of that little quarter. It lights the light up pretty easy. Okay. So yeah, pretty powerful cell. I'm pretty excited to get that up and test it out. Back showing you right now, I have a panel hooked up on my roof, and it's a little overcast, so I'm getting 15-16 watts coming out of it. That's what you see right there. If you follow that up, that's going into the grid tie inverter, and it's giving me a line voltage of 13.8, and that's in circuit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up, if we follow this cord back, and yes, I know this is way too thin of a cord. I just want to test out the solar panel, the new guy. This is the 16-foot. You can see my trees right over there, so it's shadowing onto the panel just a little bit, but it's still nice and bright, so we're going to try this out. I'm going to hook up this cable real quick. Alright, you can see that cable's plugged in there. It's a very thin. This was the only thing I had to pull it this length. And I'm going to tap it on this side, and you should see the voltage go up. Alright, let me stick this in here a little better. That's better. It's great being a one-man show here, let me tell you. Alright, 21 volts. Let's get down to the meter. Right now it's showing 33. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reset it. Just unplug it and plug it back in. I'm going to watch it climb. Yeah, that's where it's settling, is about 33. So there you go, not even on the roof.